I don't tell you what you have to do. Please don't misunderstand.
Jens, I'm going to ask you to ask a question now, because we're going to move on.
What about taxes to get up the wealth which does exist? And last question, creating wealth means you have the soya production, you have mines, you have ecological risks by creating wealth in Brazil. How do you confront with this ecological?
Let me start from.
Eduardo, can you give some quick answers, because then we can take some more
questions.
Let
me start with the last point. From any kind of wealth that you create in a municipality, in a community, in a nation, you can always separate a part to create a fund that will pertain to everyone and from them. But let me also, with respect to the question of step by step. Well, you know that perhaps the greatest defender of a basic income is one of the main founders of BIAN, Philippe Van Paris. 1996, I took him to speak to the president, Fernando Henrique Cardoso, and the Minister of Education. We had a 50-minute conversation with all his team. And he said, the objective is to have an unconditional basic income. This will be the best. But to start a guaranteed minimum income to poor families, as long as their children are going to school, is a good start. And one day we will. So, taking into account this reflection, Fernando Henrique Cardoso gave the green light for what the Bolsa Família is today. So I wanted to tell you the story.
Okay, a response to that, and Kumiko will take your question.
Just one small and fast thing. I don't think that being step by step is a problem. I don't think that paragraph 1 of PhD law in Brazil is a problem. I think that thinking of Bolsa Família as the first step of basic income is a problem. Because it's not only implementing for the poorest first, it's implementing for the poor with conditions in such a way that it's not basic income for me. So I think that you could apply the law step by step, but not by Bolsa Família. That's my point of view, and I think that should.
So I think what you're raising are two important